Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make an Easter egg vase so we can have a flower in it. On to the video. You will need some decorative fillers. I get clear. I got super glue for extra strength, a bread tie, an egg, and get yourself some tiny flowers. And you're going to pull it off because you're going to have that on top of the egg. I will show you what is next. Separate the egg. If they're attached, you get to cut it off. Then you're going to take your bread tie and you're going to get it in there. And you're going to get the other end in here too, because we're going to attach it. Now we're going to put this upside down because we're going to make a vase out of it. And then we're going to twist it together. You can use pipe cleaners if you got it, but if you got bread ties, you can use bread ties. Just twist it together so it's nice and tight. You can reinforce it with the super glue. Reinforce it with the super glue. Just put some in. Let it dry. After it dries, this is what it looks like. Put in the stones next. Try to get an even layer. That way the flower sits on top. Then you put the flower on top of it. There, it's done. Now I'll show you how it looks. If you want to take an additional step and super glue everything together, you can. This is what it looks like when it's finished. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.